Hey guys, it's Paternoster here, and today I got a special delivery from the guys at Logitech, and I've already opened the box. You might have seen on my Twitter that I, showed a few pictures of the box, but I couldn't wait. I had to open it, and inside we have the Orion G810 keyboard RGB with those great Orion Roamer G switches. And that is what we are unboxing today. Now, I opened it up just to see if there was any other little bonuses in there, but I guess there wasn't, so that was it. But, here's the thing. I think it's got water damage. Now, this is provided by Logitech for review, so I'm not too worried. I didn't buy it, so I'm hoping that it's not too damaged, but as you can see here, the water seeped through into the cardboard, and it's all sort of very soft on this side. I'm hoping that if I can turn it on and do a proper review on it, it won't hinder it at all. But let's open up and see what, first of all, the damage is and what's inside. So, I've got a little trusty knife here. I'm going to start from the damaged side. I think we all want to see how badly it's damaged. And, this will be a testament to Logitech's packing skills. But, wow, this is just, it's ripping like paper. Like wet paper. So, wow. Ooh, it's all soggy. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. It's like unwrapping a Christmas present, and it's just... a bit disappointed. I hope it's not... I hope it's in plastic. I hope it is in plastic. And I hope it's not damaged at all. But as you can see, it is just, it's wet, guys. I don't know how it happened because this box was dry, so maybe somewhere in between shipping, but it's even bendy. All right. Yes, my friends, it is in plastic. That is a win, the first win. Look at it, it's folding away. See, I can't fold this side, but this one just peels away. All right, let's see how far the water got in. And it seems to me that it didn't get inside the keyboard. Just on the outside, saved by the plastic. There is a gap here and here, but I think the cardboard took the brunt of it and really soaked up that water. So this is unfortunately rubbish, and the only thing we have in there is, of course, a wet little pamphlet, and there's no CDs anymore. The first keyboard from Logitech that I've received that has no keys or CDs or anything like that. Keys, I meant CDs. Alrighty. Gosh, it looks pretty good actually. It is quite heavy, much heavier than I would have thought. There is no, wrist rest here. It's just the keyboard. And it is RGB, like I mentioned before, and I think, yes, it's got little stands at the back. Of course it does. I don't know why I'd question that, but, you never know. So let's open up this plastic. Bear with me in the sound of this. You know what? Let's start from the back, because we all know what a keyboard looks like. We've got two levels of height. Extremely high here, and I would say small to medium. And then that would be small, I guess. Then we've got rubber feet. Now these are large rubber feet, which is, I like it, because I've noticed that some manufacturers put very thin ones across, and they're pretty good, but they slip left and right. So when you traverse your keyboard across the across your desk left and right, if you reposition it a lot, they will wear and tear and actually come off because they don't have much room to stick on. So these, I think, are a very good implementation, and there's a lot of them. There's one here, and here. These top ones would probably not be used if you've got a height extension, and the height has rubber padding too. Huge commendation on that. Both levels do. That is fantastic. And of course, a nice LG stickers. No, it's actually embedded into the plastic, I believe. Yeah. Well, not that we're too worried about it. And got a bit of a line thing, indented, a pattern maybe. Feels really good, and it looks really nice from the outside. There's no screws. I'm guessing the screws will be underneath here. It looks really, really clean. And let's go to the keyboard itself. Wow. It looks sleek. It looks pretty darn slick to me. Of course, we've got the standard keyboard, and it comes with the numpad keys, which is great. We don't have any of the G keys, which is fine. Not many people use them. You'd be surprised how much less is sold with those G keys. How many less keyboards manufacturers sell. What have we got? We've got the space. Oh, wow. That is some sort of good keycap. I am impressed. This space is really nice. Not flimsy at all. And in saying that, I click it on the corner and feels the same exact way as it feels on the center. Love that. I hate when it, breaks on the side and when you hit it with your thumb just right on the edge and it just doesn't either actuate or it just feels flimsy. But this is not only heavy, but the keys feel really solid. And all these do. So we've got the joystick control, which just means your gamepad will be blocked by the keyboard or something like that, or the other way around. We've got the light block. I like that. That's clicky. It's not a rubber. It's a click. Impressed. Thoroughly impressed, because I've noticed that they put nice Roma keys on here or Cherry MX switches on here, but they skimp out on those media buttons up top. And so I think this is a great implementation of them. There we go, stop, left, right, media keys. And we've got, wow. This, my friends, is the best feeling scroll wheel I have ever felt. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it doesn't spin. It's just extremely smooth and just stops as soon as you let go. It feels like rubbing your hand across silk and it moving at the same time. That's the best description I can give you guys. And of course around the corners we've got, I guess we got gloss, which is not too bad. The G logo, and we've got the model number, which is the G810. And guys, this is it. This is the keyboard. It's very simple, doesn't come with many accessories. Like I said, no wrist rest, and it's actually quite a long USB cord, and it doesn't have a pass-through, so it is one USB, which is even more interesting to be honest, because that means the RGB and all the features like ghosting or anti-ghosting can run off one USB. So I'm pretty stoked. Except I wouldn't mind an extra USB to put your mouse in or your wireless mouse receiver now with the G900 being up to par with wired mouses. But guys, I am looking forward to using this and telling you guys if the G810 is up to scratch to compete with the best gaming keyboards out there in the mechanical world. And if those Orion switches, G-Romas, are actually any good. But so far, I am thoroughly impressed. And with the packaging, it survived some rain. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you at the review of this keyboard. And if you may have noticed, I have maybe lost my voice a little bit. That's because Poland was versing Switzerland, and I was screaming Polska the whole time. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.